Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to be doing a oil change today. Welcome to my lovely dirty garage. And yeah, so it should be fun. So the first thing you want to make sure you have is proper oil and a filter. And then once you got the car jacked up, come underneath, there's a plate right here. It covers the whole back. This guy right there, this has a skid plate covering the transmission and the engine. So once you take it off, the filter's right there, and the drain plug is right there. So just gotta get yourself a catch can, crack that nut, and let her drain out. So the drain bolt, if I could squeeze it in here, the drain bolt right there, this guy, is a 17. I got big ratchet and stuff, so the car is warm, it's not hot, but it's good enough. Come on. Alrighty, well, she's cracked. Just there. This is the fun part of trying not to burn yourself. There we go. There we go. Look at that flow. Should open up the top with my oily hands. There we go. I gotta go wash my hands off, but she's still draining. Let her do her thing. So what I'll do right now, it's just dripping and it's fine. Just take it and slide it off to the side. That, get the, or on my head, the bolt here. There we go. Let's do that so it stops leaking a little bit. Then get that tiny oil filter out. There, so after I struggled with it for a bit, because I don't have the right tool, I mangled it. Screw it off. It's gonna leak a lot more. Not going in the pan, so that's always cool. No. Okay, that didn't go as planned, but whatever. And the reason why I chose the K&N is because not sponsored by them, of course, because I got barely no views on my videos, but I just like the product. I never had an issue with my Ford Ranger there when I do all the dyno testing and stuff. I never had an issue with oil, and I think it lives up to its name. Alright guys, so when you are changing your oil filter, you want to make sure this little O-ring comes off the factory one, because you don't want to double stack them because it'll leak. And if this, your new one pops off just like this guy, just push it in there really well. You don't want any sides to be higher than the others, so you can always put it on the flat table and push it down once you got it seated all the way around. But yeah, so your old one, make sure this comes off the block. It should just drop right out with the filter, but some of them don't if they've been on there for years and years, so make sure to check that. So this is what I mean. Right there, it's where the other filter usually sits. There's no seal there. Check this guy over here, and the seal's on it, so we're good there. A lot of people will fill these up with oil. I usually don't, just because it makes it a lot easier just to put it on there and you don't have to worry about clean oil getting all over you. And when you fill up your engine, it automatically fills it up eventually. Not right away, but it does. Now if you're doing it with a diesel, you should. This is twist right on. Get her nice and snug. Obviously I'm going to use a tool on that with the bolt bottom here. And then, so for my car I'm using Formula One synthetic 0W20. This is recommended for my car, and it's pretty good oil, that's for sure. Never really had synthetic before. I always had cheapo oil in the Ranger, and it worked really well. So, yeah. Cool. The water bottle. I think that's done. Let's see if I can do this all. There we go. Okay, so it was barely on the dipstick, so I'm gonna add more. Oh crap. And that's how you don't pour oil. Get it all over the engine. That's all good. Wick that off. Good as new. That's it, guys. Just did her all up. She's loaded right up now. And if you like these Lancers, they have a bunch of pop tabs, and I'm missing a bunch, so I just use zip ties. Put that plate back on. Oh. Excuse my car, it's a little bit of a mess right now. Make sure there's no check engine lights or anything. I'm good. Good to go. Got a tablet two-way tape down to the dash. That way I can use this as a maps and Spotify. Because this thing allows you to screen share, but every time I try it just denies it, so I'm not sure. It's like that with my BlackBerry and this crappy RCA tablet, but whatever. But yeah, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you don't want to, that's cool. You give me a thumbs down if you want. That's alright with me. So, whatever, have a good one, guys.